Let me show you what the timer and stopwatch on the Huawei Band 9 looks like. So there are two ways you can launch a timer or a stopwatch on this watch. And the first is basically when you go click your home button and you get access to all these lists. So you can select it simply and launch from there. And there is second way. Now you can also customize these quick launch menu basically icons on the screen itself. So we can click and hold it. Click this settings icon basically, click on any icon basically and select what we want. So we can get timer and stopwatch. Also get more functions here, you can see. So we can set the timer here and we can also set the second one, for example, stopwatch. Okay, and stopwatch and confirm. Then okay, let's launch the timer itself, and when you launch it, you basically get like a quick menus that you can simply click, or you can scroll down and also set a custom time. So this is very handy and very fast to set up. So we can start for 1 minute and it will start and run in background. So okay, and where you can see this timer basically is you can swipe like this and you'll get access to this here basically, and it will show you the timer remaining. Unfortunately, you can't see your remaining time for the timer or stopwatch time on the main screen, which is a real shame. Okay, let's see what happens once the time runs out. And you can see basically it starts vibrating. So it's actually very good vibration. So we can end it or click repeat basically here. Okay, let's check out the stopwatch now. Okay, we can click start. And we can also click this timer button here basically. Not sure what's called, but to like record like laps basically. So you can click and record the laps basically. Also you can pause it and resume it as well. So, and then reset basically. And this is how we do on this Huawei Band 9. If this demo was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button. See you!